Guess 30 clubs in under a minute. Let's go. Chelsea, Bayern Munich, Ajax, Liverpool, AC Milan, Manchester United, Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, Rangers, Juventus, Bayer Leverkusen, Inter Milan, Manchester City, Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, Borussia Dortmund, Arsenal, Lyon, Everton, AS Roma, Newcastle United, Galatasaray, West Brom, Atalanta, Feyenoord, Fulham, Eintracht Frankfurt, Charlton Athletic, Sparta Rotterdam, Preston North End.